Hi everyone, welcome back to Coin Gardens. Now, we never found anything for the album in the last hunt. We found the 2 EEC stars and we also found Olympic wrestling, which we already had. But yeah, nothing for the album in a couple of streams now. Kew Gardens, of course, everything else we've got apart from Olympics. We're still needing 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 of them, but we'll come across them at some point. But we seem to be finding Olympics, but just not the ones we need. I've now come up with an agreement with the bank. They're going to set aside at least 2 bags for me every week, which is good. I don't need to fight them and go around different banks. So we have another bag here. It's all sealed bags, which I prefer. So we'll get this cut open. We'll get these counted. The subscribers are coming along nicely. Just if you're seeing this, please hit subscribe, hit the share button, the like button. Much appreciated. So we'll get these counted. 1, 2, 24, 25. So, like always, I'll do the first one in real time, and then I'll speed it up and slow it down whenever we come across anything after that. So the Britannia, we're looking for the years 2008, only for the low mintage year. I haven't been through the last bag yet, that's still sitting there, but I will do. And the shields, it's not a very nice looking one. The shields, we're looking for the years 2009, 10, 11, 16, 18, 20, possibly 21, and the year 2017 for the low mintage year. To kick us off, Glasgow Commonwealth Games. Paddington at the Palace. And Paddington at the Tower. And there's the tail of Peter Rabbit. Paddington at the Cathedral. And Brexit. And Brexit. We don't seem to find many Diversity Built Britain up here. I don't know why that is. I have found a few, but not many. Another Brexit, and another one. We have Sherlock Holmes and Brexit, and Brexit. I think it's going to be one of those hunts. Paddington at the Cathedral, and Scouts. It's quite good condition. And Tom Kitten. Haha. 2011. That's This side's in really good condition, but let's hope it's one that we need. Olympic sailing. I think we actually need that. Our luck's been really good with Olympics. Like I said, we might not be getting them for the album, but we're finding them. Christopher Ironside. If you can see the date on this, it's not the best of conditions, but it's a year 2008 Britannia. Shield. One Shield, one Britannia. For all mintage years. (2008) Britannia. Paddington at the Tower. Another Brexit. Brexit. And another one. And Brexit. Brexit. Christopher Ironside. Brexit. We have our Scouts there, not the best of conditions. Paddington at the Tower. Christopher Ironside. Another 2008 Britannia. Battle of Hastings. (2011). Tell you what, I'm going to leave it there. We'll turn it over at the end. If you can leave in the comments what you think it is, that would be great. We've got Sherlock Holmes, but another Olympics. That we need. Wee Benji. Not having either. Brexit. Paddington at the Cathedral. And Brexit. Paddington at the Tower. Unbelievable. This one looks in excellent condition. Another Olympic. We'll leave in the comments what you think they are. Wee Benji. And Wee Benji. Victoria Cross the Medals. (2017). Wee Benji. We have Paddington at the Cathedral. Brexit. Benji. Paddington at the tower. The tail of Peter Rabbit. Paddington at the tower. 2017. Tail of Peter Rabbit. And wee Jeremy. Not found him today. — 2008 Britannia. Right guys, that's us on to the last bag. If you haven't already, I've still got 2 more Olympics there that I'm going to turn over. Put your guesses in the comment section, that would be great. But yeah, 3 Olympics in the one hunt. Unbelievable. I knew we had been having some good luck with the Olympics, but 3 in the one hunt's pretty good. Let's just hope they're ones we need. Well, that bag was rubbish, but I'll turn these over. We found this one first, so we'll turn this one over, and it is Olympic badminton. Now I know for a fact we've already got that one. In fact, I think we've got a couple of them. And this one is Olympic sailing. 2 in the one bag. Both in excellent condition. That's crazy. 2 in the one bag. Well, in the one hunt, sorry. Don't know if it comes out very clear on here how good a condition they are in. But I think we need Olympic sailing, but sealed bags make your fingers absolutely mock it. What's the chances of getting to the same one hunt? Yeah, we definitely need Olympic sailing, so this one seems to be the better conditioned one. But yeah, so another one for the album. But thanks again for joining, guys. See you in the next hunt. Bye.